Stop scrolling if you've done 100 crunches and seen nothing. Here's the truth. You cannot out-exercise a bad diet. But you can out-eat belly fat with the right foods. There's one bean scientifically linked to shrinking visceral fat. The dangerous kind that wraps around your organs. I'm turning it into the zestiest salad you'll make all year. Stay with me. Let's start with the star, chickpeas. They're not glamorous, they're not trendy, and that's exactly why people overlook them. And honestly, that's a mistake. A proper chickpea bowl is filling, satisfying, and actually delicious. I'll be real, the first time someone told me to build a meal around chickpeas, I laughed. I thought they were the sad garnish on a salad, not the meal. Then I made a proper bowl, ate the whole thing, and wasn't hungry again until dinner. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives you about 14.5 grams of protein and 12.5 grams of fiber. And the fiber part is the real MVP here. A long-term study tracked visceral fat with CT scans and found something wild. For every extra 10 grams of soluble fiber per day, visceral fat dropped over time. That's not a gimmick. That's measured, verified change. Now, no single food spot reduces belly fat. But smarter foods can change the mechanics behind fat storage and cravings. Chickpeas are low glycemic, so they don't spike your blood sugar the way refined carbs do. They're not magic. They're mechanics. What most people miss is what chickpeas do to your hunger. Protein and fiber together are a tag team against cravings. Fiber slows digestion and helps keep you full for hours, not minutes. That's a completely different game from a weak little salad that leaves you hungry. This bowl actually satisfies. I've eaten a lot of diet salads, and honestly, most of them are a trap. You feel virtuous, then hungry, then you raid the pantry. That's not healthy living. That's a loop. A good chickpea salad breaks that loop because it's filling, and it tastes like something you actually chose. No food burns belly fat on its own. The right foods just make the system work better. All right, let's actually build this thing. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas is your base. Add diced cucumber for crunch and hydration. Next, let's add some crisp cucumber for freshness and a satisfying crunch. Cherry tomatoes for that juicy pop. I'm adding juicy cherry tomatoes for a pop of color and freshness. Next, a vibrant sprinkle of chopped parsley and mint. Thin sliced red onion for bite. And finally, we add the fresh red onion slices for a balanced and aromatic finish. Simply sprinkle them over the top. Then a big handful of fresh herbs. Cumin gives it depth. Paprika gives it that smoky, zesty edge. Good olive oil. And fresh lemon to wake everything up. Quick question. Have you ever swapped a carb-heavy lunch for something like this and felt the difference by 3 p.m.? Because in my experience, it absolutely moves that afternoon slump. And there's one more layer almost nobody talks about: the gut health bonus. You're getting nearly 15 grams of protein and over 12 grams of fiber in a bowl that actually tastes great. And that combination helps with fullness, cravings, and healthier eating patterns. It's doing real work while you're just enjoying lunch. Now for the fun part, the mix-ins. Feta when I want something salty and creamy. Avocado when I want more healthy fat. And chili flakes when I want that bright little kick. The formula stays the same: chickpeas, bright acid, good fat, fresh herbs, spice. Healthy living has a branding problem. It shouldn't feel like restriction. Eating well should feel like a choice you're happy to make, not a sentence. One good meal at a time. That's the whole idea. So here's the recap. Chickpeas bring fiber, protein, and a low glycemic profile that helps make eating well easier. Add lemon, olive oil, cumin, and paprika, and you've got a bowl that does real work while tasting genuinely amazing. What's your go-to mix-in? Until then, eat well, drink good, and stay zesty.